Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm starting a new series on Python where I'll show you how to use Python to solve real-world problems. Instead of diving into Python's history, let's jump straight into learning Python and see it in action. In this video, we're going to explore Python data types, the building blocks of every Python program. I'll not only show you examples, but also explain real-world applications, so you can see exactly how these data types are used in actual projects. For this video, I'm using Jupyter Notebook as my IDE because it makes it easy to run Python code cell by cell and see the output immediately. It's perfect for learning and demonstrating Python data types interactively. Alright, let's dive into Python data types, which are the foundation of every Python program, and understanding them is key to solving real-world problems. Before we start coding, let's quickly look at the Python data types we are going to discuss in this video. Here's the list of data types we'll cover. 1. Numbers, int, float, complex. 2. Strings. 3. Lists. 4. Tuples. 5. Dictionaries. 6. Sets. 7. Booleans. Let us first understand numbers. Numbers in Python are used to store numeric values. There are three main types: integers, floats, and complex numbers. Let us start with integers. For example, age equals 25. Here, age is an integer. Integers are whole numbers, positive or negative, without a decimal point. In real life, we use integers to count things, like the number of items in a shopping cart or the number of students in a classroom. Another example is storing the number of likes on a YouTube video. Example, 125,000 likes. Next data type is float. Floats are numbers with decimals. These are useful when you need precision, like measuring temperature, weights, or sensor readings in IoT devices. Another example is the average rating of a video out of 5 stars. Average rating equals 4.75. Next data type is complex. Complex numbers have a real and imaginary part. They are widely used in engineering fields like electrical circuits, signal processing, and wave calculations. Example is z equals 2 plus 3j. It represents a complex number where 2 is the real part and 3j is the imaginary part. I hope till this data type you are with me. Next data type is string. Strings store text in Python. It is a sequence of characters. Applications include usernames, chat messages, file paths, and text processing for NLP projects like chatbots. Another example of string is video title equals Python data types explained. Video description equals, in this video, we dive deep into the fundamental data types of Python with real-world examples. Another data type is list. Lists are ordered collections of items that can change dynamically. Items can be of different data types: real-world use, shopping carts, storing rows from CSV files, or any collection of dynamic data. Another example is a playlist of videos. Video 1, Video 2, Video 3. Playlist equals How to Code in Python, Data Science Basics, Machine Learning 101. Next data types is tuple. Tuples are like lists, but they are immutable, meaning you cannot change their values. I will explain later on what is meant by immutable in detail. For now, just remember, in programming, immutable means that an object, value, or data structure cannot be changed or modified after it has been created. Example is storing latitude and longitude in maps applications. Configuration values that should not change, like database credentials. Coordinates equals 10.5, 20.8. Another real-time application is storing a video's resolution, width, and height, which doesn't change. Video resolution equals 1920, 1080. Next data type is dictionaries. Dictionaries store data as key-value pairs, which makes accessing information easy. It is an unordered collection of key-value pairs. Applications include JSON API responses, caching data, and feature mapping in machine learning. Another real-time application, storing a video's metadata. Video metadata equals title, Python data types, views, 5000, uploader, easy mech-learn, upload date, 2025-09-27. Sixth data type is sets. Sets are unordered collections of unique, immutable items. Duplicates are automatically removed. Real-time applications are storing unique tags for a video to avoid duplicates, removing duplicate emails, database operations like union and intersection, or storing unique items in a collection. Let's see. Example is video tags equals Python data types tutorial Python. Python is duplicated, but the set will only store it once. The last data type is Booleans. Booleans store true or false values and are used for decision making. It represents one of two values, true or false. Real-time application, user login systems, AI triggers, conditional checks in automation, and IoT projects. Checking if a video is monetized or if comments are enabled. Let us see example. Is monetized equals true, comments enabled equals false.